Step 1711 is all about using AutoFill to fill a series. You can also use the AutoFill feature to quickly fill in a series of numbers and dates. So let's go ahead and get started. You should be in step 17. You should be in cruise 7, and we will save cruise 7 as cruise 8. In cell E2, we will enter February 7th in this format. To use the backslash under your question mark on your keyboard, 7, February 7th, and press enter. And notice the format of our date changed. We'll get more into that later, but it changed to an abbreviated 7-FEB for the abbreviation of February, and then enter February 14th. Press enter. And again, it lists the abbreviated version of February 14th. Now what we've done is created a pattern in Excel. We've created dates, February 7th and February 14th, that are 7 days apart. So we've created a series of dates, and what we want Excel to do is continue our pattern of filling our date every 7 days. So in order to do that, we must first select our pattern, which is February 7th and February 14th. Once you've selected your pattern, you're now ready to grab your fill handle. So click on the fill handle, get that bold plus, and click and drag it down to cell E8. And notice that as we drag, it gives us a screen tip of our date. And release. Now, notice our pattern is every 7 days. February 7th, 14th, 21, 28. March 7th, March 14th, March 21st. Now, if this was something you needed to do, you would have to have a calendar or use your fingers to calculate every 7 days of the month. Does the month have 28 days, 29 days, 30 days? You would have to know all of that. But the great thing about Excel is that using series, you can create a pattern and Excel will calculate it for you. Say, for example, I wanted to do the whole year. Get that fill handle and drag it down up to the end of December. So if I wanted to do a pattern for the end of the year, let me go up. Excel is so quick, it's quicker than me. Alright, here we go. Well, January 1st. So if I wanted to do a pattern of dates until the end of the year, I was able to do that quickly just by creating the series. So I'm going to select that and delete it because I don't need it. I just wanted to use it as an example of how quickly you can create a series. The key is to select your pattern, start a pattern, select it, and then get that fill handle and auto fill down. Now, if, let's see, if you click on your pattern that we just filled and go to fill and series, this is the pattern that we use. So we have a series in column. The type is a date because that's what we filled. And we filled days, every 7 days. So go ahead and click cancel without making any changes. And save your changes. And this concludes our steps for lesson 17, working with Excel essentials.